What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw the Herald from Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve going up and we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then bending that out. Now let's draw the bottom of the eye. Starting back over on the left, come around towards the bottom, and then just bend that in towards the point. Now I'm going to tuck the pupils in underneath the eyelid. On the top left, let's step in, draw a circle. Just going to tuck this up underneath along the inside, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to work our way down towards the nose. Starting from the inside corner of the left eye, curve this down, and bend that in towards the center, go out, and then up towards the right side. Let's add in the mouth. Starting over on the left, we're going to draw a curve coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's add the upper lip. Start with a V along the top. On the left, bend this down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw the lower lip. Starting back over on the left, come down, and then up. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the top of the left eye, we're going to step out, curve this down. It's going to bend the head coming in towards a point just underneath the lip. Let's go out and then up towards the right side. Now I want to add a thick bevel underneath the eyes. Let's start from the side, come down, and just pull that back up towards the inside of the eye. Now let's add in the brow. Starting from the top of the left eye, it's going to go out at an angle, and then bend that up. Now from the top, we're going to come in, and then bend that back down towards the inside. Let's add a small line coming down and in along the side of the head, and we'll work our way along the hairline. Going out, bending that up. Let's add another point. Come down and in with a short line, go up, and then in. Now I want to bring this in and then down towards the center of the forehead. Coming in, bend that down, up on the right. Let's add two smaller details along the side. Start with a curve, going down and in. Go back to the top, and it's in and then down. Let's go back to that point on the side of the head, drawing the ears. Start with a straight angle line going up and out. From the tip, come down, and then bend the ear coming back in towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, bending this up and out. Now from here, we're going to work our way around the side of the head up towards a point. Let's start from the inside of the ear, bend this out and up. Now I'm going to overlap the side, stepping in, curve around, and bend that in. Let's add a point, come down and in. Now on the left side, curve this up and in towards the middle. We'll bend that up towards the center point. Now we're going to work our way back over towards the right. Let's add a fold, going across and then down. And step back, curve up and in, go across towards the right, and then back down. I'm going to add some texture across the bottom edge of the head, starting on the left, and this out and up. Same thing on the right, and step out and add a smaller curve. Now with the head in place, let's draw on that large collar. We're going to start from the chin, go up toward the left, and then bend that down. Add a point going up and in towards the head. Let's add another larger point. We're going to go up, bend that out. I'm going to curve this in towards the ear, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's add one more, going up and out around the ear. And we'll just tuck that in towards the side. Let's go back in and draw a curve going down and up around the collar. Let's move down on the sides, draw a curve going out and then down towards the hips on both sides. And I'll add some detail along the top. From the top of the body, come down and in with a straight angled line. I'm going to pull this up and in towards the center of the collar. And we'll add a triangle along the top. Now there's 3 layers to the dress. So let's start with the first layer on the left side. Just going to bend this down and then out. Go to the right hip, just draw a shorter curve going out. Now I want to connect the ends with a wave. I'm going to come down, bend this up, and go all the way across towards the right. And we'll follow that curve to create a trim along the top. Let's add the second layer. From this point, step in, curve this down, and then out. And then from here, we can draw a wave coming around, and just tuck that in on the bottom left side. Let's add that trim. Now I'm going to add one more layer on the left. From this point, step in, come down, and then out. And then again, we're just going to draw that wave going all the way across and then up. And we'll add that trim. Let's go to the center of the body, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels, and we'll draw the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Coming down, then bending that out towards the toe. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the left side, I'm just going to tuck the foot up and in underneath the dress. Let's go over towards the right, spin this up, and we're going to bring this in towards the ankle. From the ankle, draw a straight line going up. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. From the toe, we're going to step up, just trace that curve coming in towards the heel, and do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add a small detail on the right leg, starting at the top. Curve this down, in, and then down. I'm just going to trace this along the top. Now I want to go back and add a detail across the bottom edge of the body. Let's start on the left, and this down and in. Curve this up, and then down in the center. Now we're going to work our way towards the right, going up, and then down, and bending this back up. Let's close off the top of that detail, going down and up, go across and up towards the right. Now we're going to move back up and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. We start halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm, come down, and then out towards the wrist. Let's add the sleeve with a wave, going up, out, and then bending that up. Now from the edge of the cuff, we're going to taper the arm so it gets narrower as it comes back in underneath the collar. Come in, and then bend that up. Let's add that same curve along the top, come around, and then down. And now add a trim along the bottom and top. Now with the sleeves in place, let's tuck the hands in underneath. We'll start from this point with a half circle, going down and up, close off the end with a bracket. From the bottom of the thumb, we'll draw the first finger, curving around and back in. And then on the side, then it's out and in. And we'll do that one more time, going in behind the sleeve. And once we finish drawing in the hands, we'll be sure to sign our artwork and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Herald from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.